How old are you?
I'm 12.
I'm 12 too. Did you know that? Yeah. Can I keep the hat? I can't?
You autographed it for me.
Oh, can you autograph my shirt? Thank you for the hat. All right, give me some. There we go. Cool, huh?
They lob it up high. Howard! Oh, man! You gotta be kidding me! You gotta be kidding me!
He's worth the price of admission. Isn't he something? He's so smooth.
Howard puts the move on Varejao. Gets inside and puts it in. Dwight Howard has been unstoppable here tonight.
Orlando's Dwight Howard has become a force in the NBA, the best big man of his generation.
The Superman, one-on-one with Bynum. Here he comes, rolling left to right. Hook shot good. Point blank, down and in.
But a mere 5 years ago, there were doubts about his future in the league.
If Dwight Howard ends up as their pick, not Emeka Okafor, what kind of player will Orlando get?
They'd be getting a player with tremendous potential to be great. But he's just 18 years old, and it's just a question, do you want to wait on his potential, or do you want to go with the sure thing? I think you go with Okafor, that's just me.
I'm saying Orlando needs a sure thing. Emeka Okafor is proven. Orlando wants something productive now.
I'm ready to get this part out of the way. This is the tough part. Sitting around waiting.
With the first pick in the 2004 NBA Draft, the Orlando Magic select Dwight Howard from Southwest Christian Academy.
Be the first person selected. Just feels so good. Now it's going to be based on my work ethic, you know. A lot of people will question that, and, you know, I just want to go out there and prove all the doubters wrong.
I started lifting weights, getting in the weight room, getting a lot stronger.
Nice job. 5.
I never lifted like that in my life. I told my strength coach to always push me, even when I don't feel like getting pushed.
Go one more. You had the other one in you. Go for it. Come on. Don't quit. Drive it up. There you go. Drive it. Lock it. Okay.
Dwight's work in the weight room translated into success on the court. The reigning Defensive Player of the Year continues to raise his game.
Howard, he'll spin, rise up, and he'll dunk it down.
If I want to get the rebound, I'm going to get it, and I'm not going to let nobody stop me. And my mom came out there and tried to box me out. I'm going to have to put it on the floor.
Alley-oop. Howard at the buzzer! Dwight Howard climbs through the roof.
Howard has earned plenty of attention for his achievements, but fans also have come to love his playful side.
Everybody get down, do it now. Get in each hopper. Do it.
Yo, this is Dwight Howard, and my best moves are actually... Anybody who knows me knows I like to dance. I sit home in the mirror and I work on dance moves, you know, trying to get better at dancing.
To dunk or not to dunk? That is the question.
And Dwight's popularity soared to new heights one memorable night in February last season.
You're in, young fella! Superman!
Get your shooting shirt after the game. Dwight, I love you.
Yeah, when the game starts, they'll be booming.
Since entering the league, Howard has defied the skeptics. It's been quite a journey since the day he entered the world, and he defied the odds.
I always call him my miracle baby. He weighed 5'5" at birth. He was 21 inches long. He came 2 months early. Before Dwight, I had 7 miscarriages. During that time, I was bedridden because I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know if he was going to make it. So I was scared. My husband was scared. For him to be the first after several miscarriages, to me that was a blessing.
My mom, she stayed in the bed for 7 months, and she really wanted to make sure that I made it into this world. Before I grew to be 6'11" and kind of muscular, I guess. You know, I was a little skinny boy, and I remember guys saying I was never gonna be nothing. I wasn't gonna be able to play basketball. I was too skinny. I was too short. You know, I didn't know how to play. You know, and that just gave me the drive and the will to want to get better.
How you doing, young fella? How you doing?
I'm good. How you doing?
Now, Dwight is hoping his name someday will be added to the line of great big men in NBA history.
Wilt Chamberlain and Bill Russell, those guys was great leaders. And when they got on the floor, they led their team to victory. To get on that level, I got a long way to go.
And he's taken a big step this year, at only 23 years old, leading the Orlando Magic to the NBA Finals.
He's an amazing player right now, probably one of the best big men in the league, but he wants more than that. He wants to get better, and he wants to push himself, and he wants to help the team, and he wants to be a leader. That is a very rare commodity. He's a very special individual.
Gasol on the drive, blocked by Howard. Oh, what a rejection.
Dwight Howard is going to be a beast for years and years to come. I did not see this coming this quick. I saw it eventually, but I didn't see it this quick.
Turk throws it to the top. Dwight caught it, and nasty flush from the top side.
Howard, a man among boys.
Can you dig it? I can dig it. I'll see you guys later.